I better do another update. It's been a long time. Been doing a lot of other little jobs and haven't had a chance to work on the camper or motorhome. But since the last time I did a video, I've got, of course it's dusty and dirty, but I got the frame rails cleaned and painted with a Rust-Oleum type paint. I've got a little bit around the transmission to finish painting. I've welded all the rusted cross members and supports. I've replaced all of that. I've had both of these little storage compartments. There's one on each side. I had them completely out. I welded all new supports under them. I couldn't, I just used square steel tubing. I could get that easy. Cleaned and painted around the openings, put a new stainless steel hinge, redid the latches. Went ahead and put a little paint around them so when I finally do paint it, it'll be pretty good. All stainless steel screws and fasteners on both sides. And then I've started reattaching the sides. There used to be a 2x2 screwed down to the metal and then fiberglassed in, and so I've cut new wood. I've started that, and I actually had some big cedar 2x6s, rough sawn 2x6s, and I've ripped pieces of cedar, so hopefully that'll work out good. And then right now, the old air conditioner used to be right here. Obviously I'm going to get one to go on the roof, and then I'm going to use part of this hole for a new furnace. And the new furnaces are twice the capacity and half or a quarter of the size. But I'm just going to go ahead and fiberglass the hole completely closed and then cut it out once I get the furnace. So this is just a piece of underlayment, and I've got packing tape on it so it'll release. And I've a little bit more than 1 in 12. They tell you to taper your fiberglass. So I've got some fiberglass mat, pretty heavy stuff, and I figured 2 layers and then maybe a layer on the inside once I take this piece of wood off. Kind of dusty, itchy business, but it has to be done. So I'm making a little progress. I haven't totally quit on it. I come out here and work on it when I can, but it's looking better. So anyway, I just thought I would share a little of my progress, although it's not what I wish I was further along. All right.